Hi, I'm Cher Johnson. Welcome to my happy place. I decided I'm going to do a video with, these are Jennifer Clouston books. And I got to tell you, when I look on Pinterest, everything that I pin, everything that when I'm looking for crazy quilt, because that's my favorite stitching, this crazy quilt stitching, it has a watermark that says Jennifer Clouston. So everything that I love is Jennifer Clouston. I think this was her first book. And this has 10, I love this photo. It has 10, here's the projects. She has 10 projects. Then here's a stitch dictionary. And in this book, she goes through, well, of course it starts with, like every book should, what materials you need and how to do this and that. The stitch dictionary is in the back. So this is, and I've shown this in other videos because I did these seam treatments. So I'm not going to show you the entire book because that would just be crazy. But I am going to show you pages. Look at those slippers. I might have to make those slippers. I need new slippers. And there's the quilt bag from the top. It has patterns in the back for all these different, she goes over each seam treatment and how you do them. Love this. This is, I think, a tea cozy. Yep, tea cozy. But I don't drink tea like that. Anyways, then in the back of the book, this I might want to do this. In fact, I bought some gingham fabric to be able to do that. So here are the patterns in the back, and then there's Jennifer, and then here's a whole dictionary of how you do all the stitches. So love this book. This book, this may have, I think these are in the order they were released. I'm not sure. This one has lots of more crazy quilting, and it has, see this quilt? If you watch her channel on YouTube, I think she's shown that a time or two. And this one has, I'm just going to show you a few of these pages. Look at that. Here's one. Hexagon 1. And there's a pattern for each of these separate pieces to put them together. And then see these lines? That refers to these areas where she lists out all the different treatments, all the different seam treatments in each of the blocks. And there's just a ton of seam treatments. Look at this. Hexagon 25. And then, of course, there's the embroidery. And there's my stupid bookmark. So there's that. And here are, these are just some other things that she shows. She just random pictures of random things. There's a hexagon quilt template. Here's the patterns. And there's Jennifer. So this is Foolproof Crazy Quilting. The next one, and these are more recent, of course, Foolproof flower embroidery. This one is not so much about crazy quilting, but it's about different flower. Like, look at that. Such inspiration in this book. Like, I love all these. She just goes over different stems, different leaves, different flowers. Okay. And then, of course, in the back is all the how to. This is her latest book, and I haven't really. Oh, I've gotten into it a little bit, but and maybe I should do more with it on my channel. She does, though. You know what I mean? If you follow Jennifer, she shows this book a lot, and she does a lot of the different embroideries in here. So I guess I don't feel like I should really, I should just refer you to her. She shows, there's the bag again. You pick a stem, see? And then you create nuggets of goodness. And then there's all these different, there's just a ton of different softening. And she shows this on her channel. So I'm not going to show the whole book because that'd be crazy. You should just get it. And there's the stitches in the back. And again, and there's that tablet that I love. I'm going to provide a link. I think this is just says English paper piecing and embroidery. I think this is the hexagon, pentagon. I think that's pentagon. I did one of these on my channel because I found it on Pinterest. So I'm going to give you a link in the description. Look at how beautiful is that. I just love it. I'll give you a link in the description to her website where you can buy all 4 of these books. And threads, she uses, mostly she uses, she uses these color streams. This is Tuscan olive cotton. It's like a pearl cotton. My favorite thing to use. I have a little bit left and I'm sort of hoarding it, I guess. This is cotton eucalypt. And then this is silk ribbon, 4mm. I believe this is lipstick. Love this one. Those may or may not be. I believe I got all of these from, I've bought 2 or 3 packs from her. Like I bought a starter pack, I bought a green pack. Then I went to the Color Streams website and I bought some stuff from them. Her starter pack is perfect because it has everything, all the threads that you might need to start with, and then it has some sequins and beads in it. And it's wonderful. All you'd need after that is needles and fabric. Okay. So check out the description. I'll put a link to her channel and her website. Thanks for watching. Bye.